Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox and review the Harmonics 200. It's a Bluetooth stereo headset from Portronics. I bought this from Amazon at rupees around 2000 with 10% cashback for city cards. So effectively it was 1800 rupees. So let's go and check. Okay guys, let's check the box and the specifications first. It says that it has a standby time of 300 hours, playing time of 16 hours and talking time of 18 hours, which actually I won't disagree with. I've been using this headphone for a week, and for the last 3 days I have not charged it yet, and still shows the battery life of 20%. So battery backup of this device is quite decent. Of operating distance, which is like 3 rooms away. Stereo music and highest performance sound. Well, I would say the sound is quite decent. So this is what you get inside the box. There's a device, there's a charging cable, some extra earbuds, and the user manual. The company did not spend a lot on the packing, and it looks a bit cheap, but let's not that be the deal breaker for this device. Let's have a closer look at the device. Here is the Portronics logo. The build quality is decent. I wouldn't say it's the best in the market for at least the devices which are in the range of 2000 to 3000. It is built of mostly plastic, and that's why it feels a little lighter, around the neck. One suggestion to Portronics is they could have used the steel, plating instead of plastic at least this portion of the device to make it a bit sturdy and strong. In terms of functionality, this device has got quite a lot of features. The most useful function that I liked is when a call comes and when your headphone is connected to your phone. This part vibrates and it indicates that the phone is ringing. You can pick up the call using this multifunctional button, and also to play and pause the music. Switch on and off button. This is volume up and down button, which can also be used to play the next song or the previous song. This is the microphone, and this is to retract the earbud when you're not using it. This is how you retract the earbud, and this is quite fast. Here's the charging port. The rubbery material which is used feels quite cheap. Here's the LED indicator near the multifunctional button. Wait, let me show you. When you switch it on, you can see the blue and the red light, and you can also hear the vibration. When you double click the volume plus button, you can also activate the Google Assistant for Android phones. On the headset, you will receive a status of your battery power. It actually says that the battery is full, the battery level is high, the medium, or the battery level is lower. You need to recharge your headset. One downside of using this kind of headset is whenever you're pulling the earpiece, this wire might get broken from inside. So guys, I won't say that this is the best device available in the market, but for this price I would say this is quite a decent purchase.